Just when S24 Ultra won the Best Screen Award with all the reviews praising it for its anti-reflective coating, now comes the second issue for the screen. Several users on popular American forum Reddit has encountered a concerning screen defect on the newly purchased S24 Ultra. This issue manifests as a persistent green stripe, or in case two stripes, green and white, display across the screen. Affected users has confirmed that standard troubleshooting methods such as rebooting the device or performing a factory reset failed to eliminate the green stripe. While the number of cases appears limited at present, the emergence of two separate instances within a short time frame raises concerns about product quality control issue within the flagship device. One user, identified as OK Marketing 6979, documented the issue appearing on his Galaxy S24 Ultra just 6 days after purchase. Both individuals involved have some sort of redress from the mobile phone operators, requesting either a replacement device or a full refund, but they have not got any satisfactory response till now. It is important to note the green stripe issue may be due to a software related, and a future update might resolve it, but the lack of immediate response from Samsung regarding both the issues itself and user concern is concerning for early adopters of the S24 Ultra smartphone. As you know, already there's a controversy over the dull nature of the vivid screen mode, and now this has also emerged.